Welcome to C Keynotes. Seize an unprecedented aerospace and defense alliance led by sub-tier suppliers, committed to accelerating supply chain performance. We're just suppliers, like you, proud of our companies, and committed to excellence. Please listen to our message at the end of this video, and thanks for watching.
Good morning, thank you. Again, my name is Al Takis. I'm Vice President of Operations with Berry Controls Aerospace. You can go to the next slide, please. We're essentially located in Burbank, California. We're operate out of a 100,000 square foot facility. We have 135 employees, and we're roughly at about a $40 million revenue stream this year. As you can see, we're also owned by a much larger conglomeration of corporations. We report into Hutchinson. Hutchinson is a French-owned corporation and bought Berry Controls back in 2000. And they are also owned by Total, which is the fourth largest oil company in the world. So we're a very small fish in a very large corporate pond. But the exciting thing is that we engaged with C about a year and a half ago. I've been with the corporation for about 2.5 years. And coming on board, one of the things that we really wanted to do was look at how do we take ourselves to the next level. One of the things I want to talk about today is our on-time delivery. So with that said, we're focused on providing a very highly engineered, typically elastomeric or silicone type of product to the aircraft and helicopter and also avionic industries to reduce noise and attenuate noise and vibration control, essentially. So we're kind of unique in the sense that we're not a machine shop as a lot of you guys are here. I source out a considerable amount of the operation to folks like you in the room, and that's where we had our issues. We didn't give you guys enough time and response to be able to give us product in a timely manner that we could provide to our customers, and so we were constantly in a firefighting mode. 3 years ago, we were I guess our on-time delivery was maybe 70% at best. And that we knew that wasn't going to allow us to survive in the industry going forward. Next slide, please. These are some of the customers that we were letting down, and now we're improved. We've dramatically improved, and we're actually seeing a lot more opportunities from these customers. So you can see they're just a slew of the ones that we currently service, as well as probably a lot of you in this room. So what did we do and how did we get there? Basically, I felt that on-time delivery was certainly one of the major things that we had to focus on. So we actually looked at a lot of our value streams, and the main value stream even coming from our suppliers. From our customers was, did we really trust the information that we're getting from them? And what did we do with that information? And how accurate were we taking that information and driving it through our system? So through a series of about 4 Kaizen events and looking at this entire value stream, we literally took a customer's requirement and drove it through our process to make sure that we had a robust forecasting process that was driving our MRP system, and that we took away the inability for people to take upon it themselves and challenge whether the information in our system was accurate or not. That was one of our biggest problems, and we would maybe not respond, or maybe we'd reactively respond to something, but it was way too late. We've eaten up lead times that we had provided to our suppliers, and so we were constantly in this firefighting mode, and that was the main result for 70% on-time delivery. So what we really did is we re-engineered the entire front end of the business. We looked at, again, how we forecast, how does that drive through MRP, how do we set up our suppliers and give them more visibility. So we essentially have now a strategic position in place where we have now probably over about 400 LTAs or Kanban purchase orders in place. And so as the requirement comes up, the supply and demand is easily met by the planners, and they basically execute those contracts. So we're not losing the 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks worth of deliberation on who we're going to go to as a supplier. That's all done up front, so we're being a lot more proactive. So those are some of the major changes that we've made within our organization, and I think the proof is in the pudding. If you want, next slide. So one of the main things that we did is this is just one of our customers, which is Airbus. And 3 years ago, or two and a half years ago, we were at 70% on time with them. We're now 99 on time. And kind of an average across the board, we were probably 65 to 70% on time with most of those suppliers, 65 to 75. We're now probably in the 94% across the entire corporation. So we've been a lot more reactive and a lot more responsive to our customers' needs. And what is that going to mean? That's going to obviously mean that we secure the business today, but also securing business for the future. You can go to the next slide, please. So essentially, we're been given a lot more opportunities in this last year, because when you go to a customer and you try to talk about new requirements, what have you done for us in the past year? And if you're showing 70% on-time delivery, that certainly isn't something that you can be proud of. So we certainly, I think, have a lot more customer focus, and I'm really excited about the next year or 2 years, because this is just the top of the iceberg for this journey that we're taking on Lean. And we'll start working internally to work on lead times, inventory, turn increase, and I think this is a great journey that we've started. And again, our contact information will be up on the screen, and anybody wants to talk to me after this, you're more than welcome. Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching our video. Now we want to take just a brief moment to invite you to join us. We're facing a number of challenges in today's aerospace industry. Our customers are consolidating their supply chains and putting everyone on the 3 lists: grow, maintain, or phase out. And we don't always know which list we're on. The prime contractors are reconfiguring their businesses for high-speed production, and we're expected to reconfigure ours to 100% on-time delivery and 0 PPM quality performance. Customer expectations seem to be a moving target, and global competition is having an impact on how we compete. And we have many issues that never seem to get resolved. We complain, but realistically, we're only one voice on these issues, so how can we expect to be heard? And oftentimes the buyer or purchasing agent is not someone who can make a change anyway. C suppliers have identified 4 reasons why they joined C. Visibility, of course, deals directly with how we capture new business, and C is a proven master at getting visibility for C suppliers. Performance, our step-by-step roadmap, has been tested and proven by hundreds of C suppliers. Just listen to the videos on our YouTube site and you'll conclude that following the C roadmap will increase your performance dramatically. Collaboration on projects with C suppliers means working with people who speak a common language and are committed to excellence. And finally, working together, we can invite customer executives to discuss supply chain issues that slow down performance and increase cost. Together, we do have a voice. C is a nonprofit 501c6 industry alliance. It's supported by supplier memberships and sponsors. We would like to have your voice and your participation, so please go to the C website or call and join C today. Thanks for watching.